Band 5 versus Band 8 IELTS speaking answers. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pralang. Many IELTS students ask the same question. Why did I get Band 5 or Band 6 in IELTS speaking? The truth is, the difference between a Band 5 answer and the Band 8 answer is not just the grammar. It is also about vocabulary, sentence structure, fluency, detail. In today's video, I will show you real examples of Band 5 answers and Band 8 answers for IELTS speaking questions. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to improve your answers and get a higher band score. Part 1 example. Do you like reading books? Band 5 answer. Yes, I like reading books. I read books sometimes. Books are good for knowledge. Why is this a Band 5 answer? Very short answer. Simple vocabulary, no extra details. Now, Band 8 answer. Yes, I enjoy reading books, especially novels and self-development books. I usually read in the evening because it helps me relax after a busy day. In my opinion, reading is one of the best ways to gain knowledge and improve vocabulary. Why is this a Band 8 answer? Longer answer, natural sentence, good vocabulary, personal details. Part 2 example. Cue card question. Describe a place you like to visit. What you should say. Where the place is, why you like it, how often you visit it. Band 5 answer. The place I like is a park near my house. It is very beautiful. When people go there, I go there sometimes with my friends. Why this is Band 5? Very basic vocabulary, very short explanation, no descriptive language. Band 8 answer. One of my favorite places to visit is a small park located near my house. It is a very peaceful place with lots of trees and fresh air. I usually go there in the evening for a walk or to spend some time with my friends. I really like this place because it helps me relax and escape from the busy city environment. Why this is Band 8? Clear structure, descriptive vocabulary, natural fluency, personal explanation. Part 3 example. Question. Do you think reading books is important for young people? Band 5 answer. Yes, reading books is important. Young people can learn many things. Books give knowledge. Problems very short, no explanation, repeated ideas. Band 8 answer. Yes, I strongly believe reading books is extremely important for young people. Books not only provide knowledge but also help develop imagination and critical thinking skills. In addition, reading regularly can improve vocabulary, communication abilities, which are very important in both education and professional life. Why this answer is Band 8? Clear opinion, explanation, advanced vocabulary, smooth sentences. So now you understand the difference between Band 5 and Band 8 speaking answers. The key is to give detailed answers, use better vocabulary, and speak confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends preparing for IELTS. And comment below, what band score are you aiming for in IELTS? See you in the next video on Pralang.